Hello everyone, this is Sudipto from Technical Potpourri and welcome to my new series. Starting today, I'm going to introduce a new series where I'll be publishing contents about all the Google Cloud events that are happening across the month. So in this new series, I'm going to mainly focus on the online events so that you can join those events right from your home and learn this new technology. So without any further delay, let's jump in. But before jumping, don't forget to hit the like and share, and please subscribe to my channel so that you get to update about all my upcoming videos. So without any further delay, let's go and find it out all the events that are happening. Here is the first event, which is about how you can reduce your IT carbon emission using Google Cloud. And this event has already been happened on June 1st, but you can watch this video on demand. I'll provide the link where you can go and watch this on demand video in the description. So the next event that is happening is around Devops. So if you are into Devops, you want to make your DevOps process performant, and if you want to make DevOps as a discipline within your project, then this is the event that you should go and register. The event will happen on June 29th, and I'll provide the registration link in the description. With that, I'll move to the next one, AI. How can I forget AI and how can Google forget AI? This is something that Vertex Generative AI, it was introduced recently by Google. And if you are into AI or if you are interested to learn more about AI, this is the session that you should attend. The session is happening on June 15th and the registration link will be again in the description of this video. Let's move to the next one. Google Cloud Security Summit. It's very important. You want to understand what are the new technologies that is being added as part of Google Cloud Security tech stack, then this is something that you should attend. The event or the summit is happening on June 13th and the registration link will be again in the description of this video. This is very important because this will give you an idea what are the new security measurement or security product that Google Cloud is introducing. With that, let's move to the next one. Now, let's say you want to build a data-driven culture with a Google Sheet and Looker. This is a two big products, Google Sheet and the Looker, and combining these two products can give you a huge advantage to make a data-driven culture. If you're dealing with lots of data, you can take advantage of these two tools to make outcome from your data. And how you can do that? There will be a event, there will be a discussion, and there will be at the end of the session, there will be some Q&A also. The event is happening on June 22nd. These are the timings, and again, the registration link will be in the description. If you are new to Google Cloud, for example, if you are in Azure, if you are in any other cloud, and if you are to migrate to Google Cloud, how you can do that? What are the different technologies? What are the different best practices that you should follow? How people do that, their experience, their cultures, and all these things you will be able to know once you attend this session. It's happening exactly on the same day, that is June 22nd, and the registration link will be in the description. And then if you are new into Google Cloud, or if you are experienced in Google Cloud, but still you want to fast track your career by learning new technologies, for example, generative AI, then Google Cloud introduced an Innovator Plus concept where you can go and attend multiple sessions and learn this new technology on the generative AI. This session is happening on June 29th and registration link will be in the description of the video. And that's all. Thanks for watching this video. I hope this short video is helpful. Please hit the like icon, share, and please subscribe to my channel so that you get update about all my upcoming videos. And please provide your feedback if this type of videos is really helpful so that I can keep on contributing and producing this type of videos where I'll be sharing all the Google Cloud events that are happening across the globe. And you can take advantage of those events by attending the sessions, learning new technology and all these things. So enough for today. Thank you guys. Have a nice day. Bye bye.